Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I'm doing great too. My name is Akansha Seni and I am your trainer today. But before we start our video, I want to let you know that if you are interested in one-on-one training, please check the description box of our WhatsApp phone number or contact us via email, which is also provided in the description box. And if you like our video, kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. So now let's get started with our topic, Excel dashboard. This is our dataset from which we'll have to create a dashboard. And in this data, you have given as movie name, release date, production budget, domestic gross, domestic box office, and many such column headers which we are using to make first our pivot tables, then our dashboards. Okay, now let's get started to this. Before that, we'll move forward to our pivot tables. Firstly, we select our data, then click to the insert, then pivot tables from table range. Now we will select to our new worksheet. Okay, from this, the new worksheet will open, and in this, you can make your pivot tables. In rows, you can select movie name. In values, you can select domestic box office. Then all know change our column header name. So now I will write a movie. Okay, movie names. Yeah, movie name. Okay, now we'll select our table, then move to the insert, then charts, column chart. Okay, now you can remove the grid lines. And firstly, I have to adjust the chart, the chart title. Okay, chart title in which it's your wish what you want to give your title. I will give movie collection. Okay, further customize your pivot tables as per the requirements for your dashboard. We will move next we will move forward to the dashboard. First, I will apply my background image which I have already selected according to my theme. Now I will insert my image and accordingly I'll adjust it. Now we will move forward towards the shapes. According to our requirement, I will use shapes and I can change their color too. And I can change their shape effects as I am using presets. Okay, and according to this, you can also change their transparency level if you want to. Now you can see I've adjusted my shapes. Now I will also select my logo, which I've already selected according to my theme only. And this one is this. Okay, now I will adjust this. And you can write in this as movie dash board. Okay, so now you have your title of the dashboard too. You can adjust more. Okay, now this is done. Now we will move forward to the charts. Now, copy and paste your charts and slicers from the pivot table worksheets where you have already created your charts, graphs, and slicer. After that, you can set them according to their shapes. Okay, now I will set it like this. Okay, now I will drag to Rosales. Okay, okay, okay. I can do this. Okay. After that, I can change the font color, size according to my preferences, like this. Okay, like this and this one. Okay, after that, I want to remove my background, so no fill. Okay, for the transparency. After that, you can change the color of the bars. Okay, and you can use this you can use the shape fill option too. Okay, Now this is done, and I want to show it to you guys like this. Okay, okay. Now this one is good now. Okay. And according to this only chart हमारा, now we will move forward to our next chart. This chart copy, then I will paste. Okay. Then same changes. Adjust and shape fill. No fill. Font size and color change for the visibility. Okay. After that, the title also bold, underlined, font, and bigger. Okay, and these colors too I will change. Same, you can change their colors also. Okay, and option we can move forward to our next charts and slicers. I can copy this and paste, then I'll put here. Okay, after that I will adjust it. Okay, now next, and I can write here as slicer. Okay, and here I can write map. Paste our map here too, and other charts. And here you can see I have adjusted my charts according to my preferences. Thank you everyone. I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check our description box.